I wish you pleasant morning today. Dear students, good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about 11th Biobotany, chapter 6, the cell, the unit of life. The previous class we have discussed about cell structures, then cell organelles. Now I am going to discuss about in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. In eukaryotic, in plant cells, in eukaryotic plant cells further divided into two major parts. The first one is cell wall, outermost layer, that is called cell wall. The cell wall is made up of primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell walls. Primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell walls. The next part, that is called protoplast. The protoplast is without the cell wall nature, that is called protoplast. Protoplast means without cell wall nature, that is called protoplast. This protoplast comprises again further divided into two parts. The first one is protoplasm and cytoplasms. Nucleus. Protoplasm and nucleus. This protoplasm again further divided into cytoplasm and nucleoplasms. And nucleoplasm. The cytoplasm. Now I am going to discuss about cytoplasm. What are the components are present in the cytoplasm? What are the cell organelles are present in the cytoplasms? Now I am going to discuss about cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, it's a plant cells. The outermost layer, that is called a cell wall. Inner to the cell wall nature, that is called a cell membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or a plasma membrane. Inside the cell membrane, a fluid, semi-fluid like structure, that is called a cytoplasm. The inside the cytoplasm central cell organelle, that is called a nucleus. Is called a nucleus. The cytoplasm present in between cell membrane and a nucleus. This region, that is called a cytoplasm. So what is present of the cytoplasm substance? The cytoplasm presents in between cell membrane and a nucleus. That's a nuclear membrane. The outer nuclear membrane and a inner cell membrane. In between the structure, that is called a cytoplasm. This cytoplasm contains semi-fluid gelatinous substances. Like that protein, vitamins, lipids, carbohydrates and minerals. Water also present. The cytoplasm contains semi-fluid gelatinous substances. Like that proteins, vitamins, lipids, carbohydrate, minerals and 80% of waters. 80% of waters present in the inside the cell. Inside the cell, that nature is called a cytoplasm. The cytoplasms some other dissolved nutrients and minerals also present. Some other dissolved nutrients, materials and nutrient substances and minerals like that ions, salt, acids and waste product also present in the cytoplasms. The cytoplasms, some other organelles also present. The cytoplasm contains only some other organelles, let's say endoplasmic reticulum, then mitochondria, cell organelles, then chloroplast, Golgi body, ribosomes. Some other cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. Cell organelles are present in the cytoplasms. Next, in cytoplasms contains two major regions. The first region that is called nucleoplasm. The second region that is called the cell organelles. The cell organelle like that: chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulums, lysosomes, vacuoles. These organelles are present in the cytoplasm. Some cytoplasm substance contains only cytoplasm matrix. This matrix is a dissolved semi-fluid substances. These matrix substances are present in the chloroplast cell organelles, mitochondrial cell organelles, and fluid substance in between the found in endoplasmic reticulum. So cytoplasmic matrix also present. So nucleoplasms is a presence of only nucleus. So nucleus is the largest cell organelle found in only cytoplasm. Nucleus is found in the largest cell organelles. Organelles found in only in cytoplasm in plant cells, in the animal cells. The cytoplasms is also similar, contains form of only non-nuclear cell organelles. For only it's a plant cells. The plant cells composed of only cell wall. Inner to the cell wall that is called a cell membrane. Fluid, semi-fluid, gelatinous substance like that. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm central region that is called a nucleus. These sometimes we are called cytoplasms also non-nuclear cell organs. So removal of this cell nucleus is found in only cytoplasm regions. This region that is called cytoplasm, that is called a non-nuclear cell organ. That's a removal of nucleus in cell. That cell nature, that is called a cytoplasmic contents. Cytoplasmic contains only cytoplasmic matrix and cell organelles. Some cell organelles found in only within the cytoplasm, like that chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and vacuoles. Some other cytoplasmic matrix also present. These dissolve the substances, dissolve the nutrients, dissolve the only minerals, dissolve the only salt. Some are nucleic acids. Acids also present in the cytoplasmic substances. In cytoplasm, insoluble parts majorly present in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains only insoluble particles. That is called also called the cytosol. Cytosol, the solution and gels. That's a salt and the gel is composed of only in cytoplasmic natures. It's a soluble part. Form the ground substances are present in the cytoplasm. There are the two types of solutions. The first one is true solution. The second one is colloidal solution. The true solution, that is all solid molecules. That's all solid particles are completely dissolved in the cytoplasm nature. That solution is also called a true solution. In the cytoplasm, in cytoplasm particles, all the solid particles. All the solid particles are dissolved in the cytoplasmic natures. Dissolved in the cytoplasmic nature. That type of solution is also called a true solution. Again, that next solution, that is called a colloidal solution. This colloidal solution, the soluble particles, any solid particles are suspended with the cytoplasm nature. There is no dissolved in the cytoplasm. There is no dissolved in the cytoplasm. It's a presence only suspended in the cytoplasm natures. There is no dissolved type of solution, that is called a colloidal solution. There are two types of solution present in the cytoplasm natures. The first one is true solution. The second one is colloidal solution. The all solid particles are completely dissolved in the cytoplasm, dissolved in the waters. That nature is called a true solution. There is the same types of solid molecules. There is no dissolved, but is suspended to present in the cytoplasmic nature. That type of solution is also called a colloidal solution. It's a non-nuclear content protoplasm. It's also called the cytoplasm, also called a non-nuclear. That's a removal of nucleus. Removal of nucleus in cytoplasm. For example, it's a cell presence of nucleus. It's a removal of nucleus that presents only cytoplasmic substances. That is a semi-fluid gelatinous substance present in the cytoplasm. There is no nucleus. There is no any some cell organelles. That nature is called a non-nuclear content protoplasm. The protoplasm means removal of nucleoplasm. The removal of nucleoplasm, that is called a protoplasm. The next, cell organelles and bound together by a lipid bilayer, that is called a plasma membrane. It is called a plasma. In plasma membrane, it's a semi-permeable membrane. It's a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. It's a very important functions. Semi-permeable. Semi-permeable natures. It's allowed the any other solid particles, any other water molecules from this other cell to inner cell to the other cells. Near to the cells to exchange of this only some other translocate to form only minerals ions. That's a nature that is called a semi-permeable membrane. These semi-permeable membranes made up of phospholipids bilayer. The semi-permeable made up of only phospholipids bilayer. These surrounded by these cell cytoplasms enclosed by this only cell membrane or plasma membrane. These are made up of only phospholipid bilayer, that cell organelles, and bound together. Some other cell organelles present in mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, nucleus, some other cell organelles present within the cytoplasm. It's bound by the lipid bilayer. That layer is called a plasma membrane. It helps the movement of cellular materials. The cytoplasm, the cytoplasmic natures, say semi-fluid substances, gelatinous substances. It's any other cellular movements. For example, nucleus. It's a nucleus surrounded by endoplasmic reticulum. Then endoplasmic reticulum small segment, that is called a Golgi body. Golgi body. This some other protein substances move towards outside the only cytoplasm. The cytoplasm proteins move towards only in endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasm move towards only in Golgi bodies. And synthesis chlorophyll synthesis of only some other protein and carbohydrate. The carbohydrate move to the form of only in mitochondria. Mitochondria cell organelles. Some other cellular materials translocate from the cell organelle to cell organelles. Cell organelle to cell organelles. That nature is called cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic stream. It's also called cytosis. So it helps the movement of cellular materials. It helps the movement of cellular material around the cell through the process. Cell through the process called cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic streaming is also called cyclosis. Some other translocate the protein substances. Some other translocate the only solid and molecules. So from the cell to cell. That's a cell organelle to cell organelle. It's process called cytoplasmic streaming. Next topic is endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. In eukaryotic cells, endomembrane system is developed. Endomembrane system is developed. For example, in cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane is outermost membrane in animal cells, that is called a cell membrane. Cell membrane also called a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. This plasma membrane evolved from this only some other cell membrane. It's a cell membrane. Center cell organelle, that is called a nucleus. This nucleus, inner membrane and a outer membrane. Nucleus, that is called a nucleus. Nucleus contains only two membrane systems. The first one is outer nuclear membrane, then inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. The extension of the nuclear membrane, outer nuclear membrane, goes to form up only endoplasmic reticulum. This region, that is called a endoplasmic reticulum. The extensions of this outer nuclear membrane to outgrows developed that structure, that is called a endoplasmic reticulum. The small segments cut into the endoplasmic reticulum to form up only nature, that is called Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. A small segment, the Golgi apparatus cut into form of only a small layer, that is called lysosomes. Lysosomes. Then vacuoles. Smaller vacuoles also present. Vacuoles also present, but developed by this only endomembrane systems. Endomembrane system. It's a made up of only a vacuolar membrane covered by this only in tonoplast. In eukaryotic cells, in animal cells, covered by the outermost membrane, that is called a cell membrane or plasma membrane. The cell membrane is made up of phospholipids bilayer. Phospholipids bilayer. It is also made up of presence of only proteins. Phospholipids bilayer. For example, this region of this only cell membrane, it's a hydrophilic head. Hydrophobic tail. That's the head and tail. This region, that is called head. This region, that is called tail. This region is a phospholipid bilayer. This region, that is called cell membrane. cell membrane. The cell membrane allowed to is only some other soluble substances inner to outer. That's the outer cell to inner cell of this inner sides of this only cell in cytoplasm nature. That is only allowed to the only water molecules, any other soluble and any other gaseous molecules move from only one to another cells, one cell to another cell. That is this cell membranes made up of only phospholipid bilayer. These nuclear membranes also, so outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane also phospholipid bilayer. This originated from this endoplasmic reticulum also. Endoplasmic reticulum also made up of only phospholipids bilayer. This Golgi bodies apparatus also. The Golgi bodies apparatus also phospholipids bilayer. And vacuoles in the tonoplasm also made up of only phospholipids bilayer. So endomembrane systems originate from this only in eukaryotic cells. Originate from this only eukaryotic cells. It's evolved from this endomembrane system that is evolved from only in cytoplasm. The cytoplasm extends, that is extends of inner to the cell nature to form of only inner to form only nucleus and inner to form only development of only endoplasmic reticulum. This development, the endoplasmic reticulum, small segment cut into fragment to form of only Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus vehicles are cut into small segment, that is called lysosomes. Lysosome, it's a continuous process. It's a continuous cell organelle developed by this only endomembrane system. The endomembrane system contains only GERL system. GERL system. G refers to Golgi apparatus. So ER refers to. It's a ER refers to endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. It's L refers to lysosomes. Lysosomes. These Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosomes. These are cell organelles originate from this only in outer membrane of the nucleus. Outer membrane of the nucleus, that is a nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane. This outer nuclear membrane originate to form of only endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and lysosome. These are only endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. It's only found in only eukaryotic cell. This endomembrane system does not consist of only chloroplast cell organelle and mitochondria. These two cell organelles does not involve only endomembrane system. This chloroplast is made up of only outer cell membrane and inner cell wall. Outer and inner, that's outer cell membrane and inner cell membrane. So mitochondria is also called made up of outer cell membrane, inner cell membrane. This type of cell does not contains only phospholipid bilayer. The remaining parts, remaining part of this only outer nuclear membrane, endoplasmic membrane, ECW, and Golgi apparatus membrane, and lysosome membrane, and vacuoles membranes all are made up of only phospholipids bilayer. These phospholipids bilayers are present in the developed in only nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane cytoplasmic membrane. Cytoplasmic membrane. There is cytoplasmic membrane that is called a cell membrane organelles. There is a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. That is also called a endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. Next one is, so what are the organelles are present in the cytoplasm? What are the organelles present in the cytoplasm? The cell organelles. Cell organelles in cytoplasm. First, double membrane organelles. Single membrane organelles. Then non-membrane organelles. So what are the cell organelles present in the cytoplasm? So based on the conditions, so membrane bounded or membrane organelles natures. The double membrane organelles, single membrane organelles and non-membrane organelles. Without the membrane, some types of cell organelles are present only without the membrane layers. For example, double membrane organelles, the first one is nucleus. First one is nucleus. See, nucleus, there is a porous double wall membrane organelles. Double membrane organelles. The next one is chloroplast. So enclosed double wall membrane organelles. Two membrane organelles are enclosed. Double membrane organelles. The next one is mitochondria. So outer enclosed, then inner enfoldings. That's a mitochondria, outer enclosed, inners are only enfoldings. Then inner enfolding, outer enclosed. The type of cell organelles are found in only double wall membrane organelles. This is chloroplast. So both cell organelles, that's outer membrane and inner membranes. Outer membrane and inner. So both are only enclosed with presence in only chloroplast cell organelle. In porous double wall membrane organelles is found in nucleus. It's a outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. So outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane is only porous. Small pores are only present. It's a porous double wall membrane organelle that is called nucleus. So nucleus is a presence of only nuclear material, that is a chromatin reticulum and nucleolus and nucleoplasm. Some other fluid substance are present only nucleus. That fluid substance that is called nucleoplasm. It's a control of all the cell activities. These are control to all the cell activities. Next one is single membrane bound organelle. That's ribosomes. Yes, sir. Endoplasmic reticulum. Some other lysosomes. Lysosomes. These are only single bound membrane organelles. That's ribosomes. Microbodies. These are only non-membrane organelles. Vacuoles also single membrane organelles. Lysosomes, vacuoles. These are only single membrane organelles. So bound only lysosomes, single membrane bound organelles. Non-membrane bound organelles, that is called ribosomes. So without the membrane organelles, and microtubules are only without the micromembranes. That's a non-membrane organelles. Now I am going to discuss about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulums. So endo refers to inside the cytoplasmic cell organelles. Inside the only cytoplasmic cell organelle is developed in only outer nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane. For example, nucleus. That's a nucleus. Outer membrane and inner membrane. Nucleus. This structure that is called a nucleus. So nucleus contains only outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum first discovered by E.R. Porter, year of 1948. 1940. So Porter first discovered by this only endoplasmic reticulum. Here Porter in year of only 1948 first discovered by this endoplasmic reticulum. These endoplasmic reticulums are found only outer nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane. This region that is called outer nuclear membrane. These outer nuclear membranes extensions. This outer nuclear membrane extensions, outgrowth, flat, sac-like structures, and arranged only in parallel. Arranged only in parallel, in plate-like structures, regular plate-like structures. Plate-like structure and sac-like structures. So originated from this only outer nuclear membrane. This region that is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. There are three types of endoplasmic reticulum. The first one is endoplasmic reticulum. There are three types. The first one is cisternae. The second one is vesicles. And third one is tubules. There are three types of endoplasmic reticulums are found in only within the cells. Within the cell, these endoplasmic reticulums, it's also called a endomembrane system organelles developed. Endomembrane system organelles are developed. These originate from this only. Endoplasmic reticulums are originate from this only outer nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane, say elongated extension, outgrowth, and elongated and parallel. This grain of the stroma-like structures. Grain of the stromal lamella-like structures arranged in the structure that is called endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum, there are three types. The first one is cisternae, second one is vesicles, and third one is in the tubulars. Third one is tubule-like structures. This cisternae is a tubules that's arranged in only in tubular. That's a tubulars and plate-like structures. Arranged only in tube-like structures. Tube-like structures, so plate, sac, that's an outgrowth may be developed only in sac. This outgrowth may be developed only in sacs. This outgrowth region developed in the sac-like structure. So originated from this only these regions. This is called a cisternae. Outgrowth developed elongated form of only in the outer nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane. Next one is vesicles. See, vesicles is that's a vacuolar structures. Vacuolar structures. So vacuolar structure is outgrowth cut in form of only small segments. It's originated from this only in small vacuoles. So originated from this only small vacuoles. Originated from this only small vacuoles. So outgrowth may be originators. This region that is called vacuolars. This region that is called vacuolars. These vesicles are found in only vacuolars or small spherical in shapes. Small spherical in shape. So tubules. So tubules are only irregular and elongated. Irregular and elongated natures are found in only irregular and elongated structure are found only in tubulars endoplasmic reticulum. There are endoplasmic reticulums may be three types. The first one is cisternae, second one is vesicles, and third one is tubule-like structures. These many other nuclear materials. The nucleus are only proteins. These are only proteins. Then some proteins translocate the form of only endoplasmic reticulums. Endoplasmic reticulums. So move towards only cytoplasm. There's a nucleoplasm region to the only endoplasmic region. Endoplasmic region. These regions, these endoplasmic membranes are outer presence of only ribosomes. outer presence of only ribosome. The presence of ribosomes, presence of only ribosomes. The ribosome present the endoplasmic reticulum. The type of endoplasmic reticulum is also called a rough endoplasmic reticulum. There are the based on the conditions, how it is presence of ribosome or absence of ribosome. The ribosome is present in the outer ribosome endoplasmic membrane. Outer endoplasmic membrane. The outer endoplasmic membranes are present in the ribosome particle. The type of ribosome particle is also called the type of ribosome endoplasmic reticulum is also called a rough endoplasmic reticulum. This rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesis of only protein. So because these ribosomes synthesis of only protein. These ribosomes are synthesis of only protein. Without the ribosome particles. Some types of endoplasmic reticulums without the ribosome particles, the type of endoplasmic reticulum that is called a smooth endoplasmic reticulums. Smooth endoplasmic reticulums. There is no ribosome particles. The outer surface of only endoplasmic membrane. Outer endoplasmic membrane. The outer endoplasmic membranes. Absence of ribosomes. Absence of ribosome, that is called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These are synthesis of only lipids and fats. Lipids and fats. These are present some other drugs, some other form of only waxy substances, and drugs, some other materials also present only smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is also called granular endoplasmic reticulum. Granular endoplasmic reticulum. So small granules are found in only outer membrane of this endoplasmic reticulum. That granules are also called a ribosome. The ribosome particles are present outer endoplasmic reticulum. That is why it is also called a granular endoplasmic reticulum. But the absence of endoplasmic reticulum in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is a granular. So the granular endoplasmic reticulum also called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Granular endoplasmic reticulum is also called a rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is also synthesis in only protein. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also synthesized by in only lipids and fats. Next, we are pass on the next class. Okay, thank you.